So many companies still need some sort of 2D drawing for the production floor or for quality control or for just documenting the design. So in the Lesson 6 Drawings folder, I've got a few files already started for us. I've got a finished version of a drawing for the skateboard assembly. I've got a drawings version of the skateboard assembly. And I've got a file here where we can start a brand new drawing. It's already got the title block and everything kind of set up for us. So how do we add additional drawing views? If we go to the Drawing tab on the Command Manager, there's a Model View icon. Now there's a couple different ways of doing this, but this one's pretty good. Just like at the assembly level though, we've got this option to go browse for different files if we don't have anything open. So we can browse that Lesson 6 folder and open up the drawing version of the skateboard assembly. From here, I like to have the preview option turned on. That way we can see what's going on. And I can choose a front view or a top view or maybe even an isometric view. That works for one view, but there's an option here to, hey, let's create multiple views. So I'll do a front view, a top view, a right view, and an isometric view. And once I say OK, there's our drawings. We can come in and move these around. The front view is kind of the main view. Everything else is aligned to it, except for this isometric view. We can come in and move it wherever we want to. So to move a view, I can either grab on the border or I can grab on one of the edges in the views as well. If I come in and select on the drawing view, I can even come over and change it to a shaded drawing view. That's kind of nice. If we want to come in and add a bill of material to see what components we've got in our assembly, if I select on one of the drawing views, I can go to Insert, Tables, and we can do a bill of material. We've got a couple different templates, but we'll just say OK to the standard template. And we can come in and drop it, snap it right there in place. So it gives us the part number, that's the name of the file, a description, maybe the quantity. So we can see we've got 8 screws, 2 trucks, and the skateboard itself. Most companies, will make their drawings, a little bit different here and there. So we've got some different things that we can add to this drawing. On the annotation side, maybe we want to look at balloons. So for a balloon, if we come in and hover over a face, we get the little donut. If we hover over an edge, it changes to an arrow. Either way, but there is our board. If we come down to this view, maybe we can come in and click on that edge. There's one of our trucks, and there's another one over there. If we come in and look at the screws here, we can come in and snap it right there. Maybe click right there. If I hit the escape key, that'll get me out of adding more balloons. But if I come in and take a look at this one, maybe I do go ahead and turn on the quantity. I can place it to the left or to the right. That works pretty good. And I can say OK. So there's all kinds of different things we can do with our assemblies, whether it's creating a section view or a detail view. But there's some of the basics for creating some drawings.